We're gonna do a 3-day fast.
3-day fast.
Last time I tried to do it, I actually didn't complete it. It's been kicked off. I'm doing a 3-day fast and I'll keep you guys posted. I did a 2-day fast and I didn't post my 3rd day because I didn't finish it. So this time we're gonna be doing a
3-day fast.
3-day fast. Now, if you make it past the 3 days, then I'm thinking about doing an additional 4-day juice cleanse. I've never done a 7-day fast. I've never done a 3-day fast, let alone a 7-day fast. So it's gonna be a journey and we're gonna see how it goes. What are you gonna do?
7-day fast.
But there's a million different fasts.
Well,
What are you gonna do?
Yeah.
7-day juice fast?
Cleanse fast.
Yeah, but then there's the ones that have carbs. We're not doing fruits.
We're not doing smoothies.
No.
Just juice.
There's a company that does it where they sell.
7-day smoothie fast.
Is it the cleanse something or the what's it called?
Yeah, the green smoothie cleanse.
Yeah, but there's sugar in it still. Okay, so what we're gonna do is not that one because I looked into that one already,
Okay.
and they put apples and they put like fruits in it, right? So we're not doing fruits at all for the first 3 days.
So just.
No, first 3 days nothing. Like I'm
That's
talking
fine.
just coffee
Yeah,
once
that's
a
what I've
day.
been doing anyways before you came.
Yeah, but you still break your fast.
At 9 o'clock.
Yeah, so you're not doing prolonged
But
fasting.
then I eat like small pork, like rice.
But you're still
very little
breaking.
Rice, more meat, more protein. Like
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But you're not doing prolonged fasting. You're doing like intermittent fasting. You're fasting for, let's say, 20 hours, and then you're breaking your fast, and then you're fasting for 20 hours. We're doing a 3-day fast. Nothing but fluids. But we'll do the Dr. Sebi's herbs. The herbs, right? Which is good because it's going to clean out all the mucus, it's going to clean out all the stuff from our
Yeah,
bodies.
because I'm still coughing up.
So that's going to be good for you. And I honestly want to try this for more than 3 days because they have getaways for, I think it's 21 days to 40 days in Honduras,
Oh, really?
which I want to get there eventually. But let's commit to the 3-day herb cleanse and then the 4-day juice cleanse.
Okay.
Can we do it or no?
I think I can do it.
Can you think or you know?
I think I can do it.
Are you
Because
sure?
I think your mind-
Can I get a commitment?
Yes. You can put
You're
your
on
mind-
camera. Well, you're not on camera, but you will be very soon. And we're gonna shake this one off. Can I get a 3-day cleanse commitment?
Yes.
Can we get another commitment for a 4-day juice cleanse right after? Or you want to wait till the 3 days?
Let's wait till the 3 days.
I'm on my own on this one, I know. All right, you have heard it here. She's gonna do a 7-day cleanse. It's documented.
No, it's not.
It's documented. No, it's done. You can't break your word. That's an oath. We're gonna do a miniature documentary on what we're gonna go through, the ups and downs throughout the next 7 days. He's probably gonna do this juice diet with us too. You wanna do the juice diet? All right, shake on it. What are we doing?
3-day fast.
3-day fast, you promise?
Yes.
Handshake?
Handshake.
It's done. It's game over.